English for class 3rd standard. Okay, and the topic which we'll be studying today is the unit 3. There is a poem, The Looking Glass. Okay, this is a poem called The Looking Glass. Take out page number 49 and we will see what is this poem about looking glass. Pre-reading activity. In 2 minutes, write down as many words relating to yourself as possible in your notebook. For example, boy, skirt, bag, etc. At the end of 2 minutes, stop writing, count and number of words written and announce it. The one who writes the maximum number of words is the winner. So, you can do this activity with your friends. Let us read aloud. Repeat after the teacher. So, we'll move on to the poem now. Every day, mummy goes down to the shops and sometimes I go as well. Okay. So, what is the poet telling? So, first we'll see what is a poet's name. Okay. Whether it is a poet or a poetess. Poetess is a female, poet writer. Okay, poem writer. And the name is Ruth Underwood. Okay, she is a poetess. So, she is the poetess of this poem, The Looking Glass. One who writes the poem is called poetess. Every day, mummy goes down to the shops and sometimes I go as well. So, what is the poetess saying? So, sometimes mummy will go to the shops or sometimes even I will go. And all the things we see in the town, I never have time to tell. So many things we have in the market. So, suppose we have been to the market with our parents, we see so many things, isn't it? We see numerous things, numerous items, the food, the clothes, the accessories, and so many things we want to have it, isn't it? And that's here also the poetess is telling that so many things are there in the shop, I don't have the time to tell. Turn to the next page. Today while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited for her outside and there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. So, once what happened when they both have gone to the market, okay, mummy was buying some eggs in the shop. So, then what happened? This girl, she was waiting outside the shop. And there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. So, maybe there was a glass there, okay. You can see it in the picture also. She was waiting outside the shop. And the girl, she sees a green girl in the glass, okay. But she's not telling where she's seeing. And there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. Little green girl means maybe she was wearing a green colored clothes. Okay, that is the meaning of green girl. So, green girl was there and whose shoelace has come out. Okay, the shoelace has come untied. It was not tied. She stooped to tie it and so did I. So, when the lace has come out, we have to stoop, isn't it? Stoop is bend down. Stoop is to bend down. Okay. So, even she also bent down to tie the lace and so did I. So, just imagine when you are standing in front of the mirror or looking glass, what do you observe? What do you do? Same thing your reflection also will do in the mirror, isn't it, children? So, when she stooped, when she bent down to tie the lace, even that reflection in the mirror also bent down. So did I. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. Then when you turn like this towards from the mirror and then again they peeped back. Okay. So what you do? Your reflection also does the same thing in the mirror, isn't it? I smiled and she did the same. So the poetess smiled and the reflection also smiled back at her. It seemed like playing. So when somebody copies you, it will be like a play, isn't it? Yes or no, children? So it will be very amusing also. So it was like playing for them. Even what she did, and same thing, the girl in the glass also, she was doing exactly the same. She wore a pretty green dress like mine, green stockings up to her knee. So she wore a pretty green dress like the poetess was wearing, and she was wearing the stockings as well. Children, what do you mean by stockings? Stockings are nothing but the long socks that come from the foot to the leg. Okay, those are called the stockings. And who do you think was that little girl? Why, that little green girl was me. So what is the poetess telling? And who do you think that little green girl was? Okay, she was none other than the little green girl was me. And the poetess name is Ruth Underwood. So now you all understood that the girl was standing in front of the mirror and she was doing all these actions. And in turn, the reflection in the mirror, it gave back the same actions what this poetess was doing. Okay. So they have given you a set of new words there, children. We'll go through that. Looking glass means mirror. The looking glass means mirror. Stockings, close fitted covering for foot and leg. Stooped, bent down. Untied, become loose. Peeped, look quickly and secretly. Okay, those were the new words. So, just read the poem one more time. Every day mummy goes to the shops and sometimes I go as well. And of all the things we see in the town, I'd never have the time to tell. Today, while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited for her outside and there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. She stooped to tie it and so did I. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. I smiled and she did the same. It seemed like playing. She wore a pretty green dress like mine, green stockings up to her knee. And who do you think was that little girl? Why, that little green girl was me. Okay, the poetess name is Ruth Underwood. Okay children, did you enjoy this poem? Hope you all are understood. Okay, thank you.